One thing I always need is power with me for charging my equipment, drone batteries, when out on trips, and this has to be the most smallest yet convenient power station I have ever seen. So I love taking power stations with me for the reason that they are super convenient and also can charge my equipment really fast. I'm always needing to charge like drone batteries, action cameras, my camera. So having something which is small and convenient is crucial for me when I'm out filming. But you see, the problem with a lot of power stations is they're really big and bulky, take up a lot of room, and for that reason, not a lot of people use them. So now Jackery, which is one of the best in this field, have introduced the Jackery Explorer 240, and this has a handle on the top of it, and just look at how small and tiny this is. I've never seen a power station which packs this much power to be this small. So something like this is perfect. This basically now just lives in my car, so I've always got it with me. But because it is really small and compact like this, it can even fit inside of a backpack. So perfect for taking with you on day trips as well. So recently we went on a road trip from North England all the way to Disneyland Paris. Now inside of the car was the worst thing, 2 teenagers. So keeping iPhones and iPads charged, this is just essential on a long road trip like this, especially with teenagers. So what about the power on here? Well, it has a 300 watt output. That's going to be more than enough for charging your equipment. So your phones, iPads, your laptop, drone batteries, the Air 3S batteries, you can get a really fast charge coming out of here. Most cars you have like 5 to 15 watts of output. So having something really portable like this, on the front of it, you have a 100 watt max output from the USB-C port. And on the right hand side, you can actually plug directly into here with the 300 watt output. So if you have like a low powered camping kettle, maybe charging your laptop, charging your drone batteries really fast, you can plug directly into here. Then you have 2 USB-C ports on the side. One of them is the 100 watt max, the other one is 15 watts, and you've also got a USB-A port above that. You've also got a cigarette lighter output on the top of it, and on the top right you also have a light, so you can actually light things up, and it is pretty powerful. It's also got an SOS mode as well, but that's good, so that's also built in. On the display here, it shows you exactly how much power you're using, how much power you've got left, shows you the output and how much everything is using. So this, just for how small and lightweight this is, and the price of it, it's not super expensive. I'll get into the price at the end of the video, but for just having something like this, honestly, this is so convenient. And once you get one of these, you're going to be taking this with you a lot of times. And you can also charge simultaneous on here. So you could have your laptop charging via the plug output. On here, you could like be charging a phone or an iPad, and you can get multiple charges out of this because of its large capacity of 256 watt hours. You can even attach a portable projector to this and power that projector from this power station and watch films when you're on day trips or camping as well. And then when we got to the lodge, you can charge this in 3 different ways. So you have an input on the side where you can directly connect to power. That takes around about 2 hours to have this fully charged. You could connect this to your car, and your car could actually be charging it while you're driving to different locations. To have this fully charged takes around about 5 hours. But if you go to grab this and take it with you and you look at it and it's only like 20%, you can actually do an emergency fast charge and have this fully charged in just 1 hour. So these power stations are great for me. I can be in really remote places. I could be at the side of a lodge here and have this fully charging my laptop. I can do some editing, check my emails with a coffee in the morning. It is great. But it gets even better because even though this is super small and compact, what about if you don't have access to charge this? Well, you can also get this really small solar panel. So this is like just a bit bigger than say a 13-inch iPad. You just unfold this, and now you have this solar panel. So this just clicks out, and then you can lie this flat on tables. You can have it propped up. So now you're getting 40 watts of inputs on like a clear day. If it's really cloudy, you're not going to get that, but you could achieve up to 40 watts of power coming into this power station, all from solar. So then this takes round about 5 hours to fully charge this. So we go camping a lot, which means it's great because we can just have this outside of the tent, have the cable coming into the tent, and this is charging it throughout the day. So then at night time when we want to watch some films or charge all the equipment, this is fully charged. So adding this on, and this is a really affordable solar panel, means that you're just going to have access to even more charging abilities. But this also has these clips, these carabiner clips on it. So you can actually attach this to your backpack, which I've never seen before, but it does work. So you can attach this to the front of your backpack. So if you're going hiking, you could put this inside of your backpack, run the cable to this, and have this on the outside of your backpack. So whilst you're walking, this is charging your power station inside your bag. It is genius. So for a power station really small and compact, made by Jackery, which is a decent make, it's only £7, 3.6 kilograms. But you get all these different outputs on here. You can connect solar panel. This is a great option, especially for somebody who doesn't want to spend a lot on a power station. So I'm going to link this at the top of the description along with an extra discount code, but this is just £199. That is fantastic value. And if you want the solar panel attachment, that is just £289. So that would be the one I would recommend. So go and check this out. If you've got any comments on this, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.